The Webform module turns Drupal into a full-featured form builder, contact forms, surveys, multi-page applications configured entirely through the admin UI, no custom code required for most cases. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Webform is a contributed module providing drag-and-drop form building, real validation, and submission storage. Each web form can have multiple handlers, email notifications, saving to the database, or posting to an external API. Submissions are real, queryable entities, viewable, exportable to CSV, and filterable in the admin UI. Every element type ships with real, built-in server-side validation, not just a client-side check that JavaScript could bypass. Tokens like Webform_submission, values, name, pull real submitted data directly into notification emails. Webform is one of Drupal's most widely used contributed modules, actively maintained and battle-tested across thousands of real sites. Each element type comes with real, built-in server-side validation. The email element genuinely validates email format, not just a client-side regex. Server-side validation happens regardless of JavaScript being enabled, a real security and accessibility improvement over client-side-only validation. Tokens like Webform_submission, values, name, pull real submitted data into the notification email, a real, working templating system, not just placeholder text. Every submission is a real, queryable WebformSubmission entity exportable via the UI or accessible programmatically for custom reporting. Here's the real difference. Webform provides drag-and-drop form building with real server-side validation, no custom code needed for most forms. Webform provides drag-and-drop form building with real server-side validation, no custom code needed for most forms. Handlers, email, database, custom API decide what happens to each submission. Submissions are real, queryable entities, viewable, exportable, and accessible programmatically. Build a recipe submission web form with a required text area and an email notification handler. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.